Hi, good afternoon, my dear yearbook students. I have decided to reach out to you to help you out in creating our yearbook ad campaign, which is going to be your project for the next week, starting on April 6th. I will upload this video as a YouTube format at the end of this presentation. I'm going to go through the presentation briefly, and then I will show you what exactly you're working on. So our objectives, meaning what is our goal? Our objective is to have you demonstrate understanding of how to create campaigns. You're going to create a campaign and we're going to promote the yearbook. So each one of you has an individual task that you're going to be working on. Adam, you're going to be doing the funny promo. Daniel, the curiosity gap. Angelina, recruit new yearbook team members. Carissa, you're doing something called a sneak peek. And Maddie, you are creating an informational flyer. So the details for the project. Each one of you has been assigned a particular ad that will be a part of the big ad campaign. So we're going to have 5 different advertisements, and that's why it's called an ad campaign. You must get to know what the particular type of ad that you're assigned to before you start doing it. We're going to be using PowerPoint to do this. And then the YouTube video I'm talking about is this video that's going to be attached at the end, so you can have some help with that. If something does not make sense, please email me via Plus Portals with questions. So each ad must provide a link to the yearbook website where parents can purchase the yearbook online. I've included that link in this presentation. We must use some of the photos from the actual yearbook, and I've uploaded them in Plus Portals under Files. I will show you where to find that. You must use, like I said, well, it's the same thing here, but we're not going to be having them in the presentation. They're going to be in Plus Portals, so ignore this part. You can also use photos from Bing or Google. You just have to make sure you include a link of where you found it. So Adam, the funny promo, you're just trying to grab people's attention. Like this would be a great photo to use for something like that. We can have inside jokes, emojis. I thought you would be very good at this. And here's an example of how to include a link. So I didn't create this information. I got it from this website. So that's what you want to do in your presentation as well, if you use any images outside of what we have. So here are 3 examples of what a funny promo looks like. There's one that just, it's kind of funny. School lunch, so you can secretly wait in line next to your crush, $7, however much things cost. Or you can have pictures like this, bought a yearbook, didn't, you can get creative with it. And then it tells you where to order it online. Informational flyer. This is for you, Maddie. It includes basic information on how much the yearbook costs, how to purchase it, deadline for purchasing, and then how the parents are going to receive it. So here are 3 examples with different pictures. You can choose the font. You can kind of have fun with it. The cost is $50, where to purchase. There's the deadline. We still aren't sure if yearbooks will be mailed to parents or if parents can come pick it up. It depends. For now, just put that they will be mailed. Angelina, your job is to recruit new yearbook members. Keep in mind that it's only open to 11th and 12th graders. So we're going to just provide information like how they sign up, but we'll just put that they have to contact me. So as you'll notice, like yearbook wants your help, or these funny memes, you can do that, or something like this. How would you like to be a part of the coolest team on the Pepin campus? Well, if you are an 11th or 12th grader, you sure can. And then we have a picture there and it says you can join the yearbook class and get the benefits of creating next year's yearbook and attending all the fun events. And then it says for more information, see this heart. The curiosity gap, this is you, Daniel. It addresses particular students. So you can pick a student to address. It answers the question, what's in it for me? And it leaves a little bit of a mystery. So I created samples here with 3 different students. So there's one with Matt where he appears in a lot of the pages. So you could say, hey there, Matthew Daly, your face is in the yearbook on pages, whatever. And then it says quite a popular guy. So it says you wouldn't want to miss out on that, would you? So it encourages Matt to purchase it, but also it addresses someone else. It says you want to know where you are in the yearbook? Get your own copy to find out. gets them curious. Sneak peek, this is you, Carissa. This is taking an exact page from the yearbook and putting it in as a sneak peek. You need a catchy title. So here's one. Here's a sneak peek of the 2020 Pepin Academy's yearbook. Get your own copy, and then you can pick. I'm going to upload a couple of the pictures, a couple of the pages, and you can choose. So you can choose, you know, Night of the Arts or Makerspace or whatever you like. All righty. So now it's your turn to go ahead and create. The link is to this video is going to be right here at the end of this presentation, just so you guys know. Okay. So now that you have seen that presentation, I'm going to show you, I've hijacked Angelina's Microsoft Office 365, as you can tell right here, because I want you to see it from a student's point of view. Mine is different looking, so I just want you to know what to do. So once you log into your Office 365, Microsoft 365, you're going to be going into PowerPoint. I think, yeah, so here are all the apps. You click on PowerPoint, it takes you here. You can start with a brand new blank presentation, or you can do one that has some, you know, colorful things and some interesting things. So I already created one down here as a sample. You'll notice that. Angelina, if you're seeing new things pop up in your Microsoft Office 365, that is why. So I would start, you know, with a presentation here. Give it a second. Okay. You are only creating one page, so you can delete the second page. Okay. So, and then let's say that I am creating an ad that's, you know, recruiting new members. So, how would you like to be a part of the team on campus? Something like that. And then, you know, down here, you can just put down, can, if you are in 11th and 12th grade, then you would obviously write down, you can contact Ms. Hart, everything that you need for your particular ad. Then you're going to have to go to insert. That's really slow. And then you go to pictures. So you're going to do it from this device because I don't know if your OneDrive is working. So I will show you where I have put the pictures in Plus Portals. So here's my Plus Portals. My view is going to be different from yours, but I will try my best. So if you are on Plus Portals, you're going to click on journalism. Right? All the information is there. You're going to scroll all the way down. Your assignment is actually going to be here. All right, so I noticed 2 of you have already completed the assignment. I'm waiting on the rest. So it's going to be under files and it's going to be under photos. So when you go here, you'll notice a whole bunch of photos. Okay, so you're going to click on the photo. So we'll just pick one at random. And we are going to open it just to take a peek at to see what it is. Okay. So that's kind of cute, right? So you're going to, you can right click, you can click here. We're basically trying to save it. So save as. I like to save it on my desktop because it's easy to find. and I'm going to name it add photo 2 because I already saved one. So that is taken care of. Animation. There it is. Which, by the way, you should probably rename. Okay, so you can just put down, you know, Adam's presentation or Angelina's presentation, and you know, put your name. You're going to go to this device. It's going to open up a new window and it's under desktop. There it is, add photo 2. I'm going to hit open. It might take a while. Actually, there we go. So you can get rid of this in the background or you don't have to. When you do this, what happens to the right is it gives you some ideas of how you can create something more fun. So you can have the entire part, like let's say we like this to be our ad for you. It's really cool. Okay. Once you're done, you're going to rename the presentation. So I'm going to call this sample ad 2. Once it's done, it automatically saves, but in order to share with me, okay, you have to make sure that you download it. So hit download, download a copy into your computer. You're going to open it. Let's see. Should be opening up. Just guess it's very, very slow. All right, there we go. So enable editing. Okay. Come on. All right, so we have it as sample ad. You want to make sure you save it again. So save it on your desktop. It's probably the easiest place because then you can just find it. Hit save. It's saved. Back into your Plus portals. You are going to go to email and messages. Very slow. You're going to go to new email. You can just go to, and you're going to type in mhar@theacademies, just like you see it right there. It from your computer. You click there. Okay, you're going to now find it in your computer where you saved it to attach it here. We saved it to our desktop, so it should be there. There it is. We hit open. Okay, if you get that message, it just means that you have to close it, right? You have to close it, otherwise. So let's try it again. So my computer. There it is. I'm going to hit open. It's going to attach it. Okay. In your subject, you're just going to write down Adam's ad or Angelina's ad, and there it is. And then down here you could say, write down Ms. Hart, I finished my ad, and then you're going to hit send, not save. You're going to hit send. All right, so I should be able to get that information if you guys email it to me. If anything is confusing at all, please email me so that you can ensure that you complete your assignment on time. It is due on April 11th. All right, guys, good luck and contact me again if you have any questions whatsoever. Miss you guys, and I hope that we get to see each other very, very, very soon.